Hey guys, today, let's bust a classic myth. You don't need to check your engine oil every few days if you drive a modern car. That advice made sense decades ago, when cars leaked and burned oil like crazy, but today's engines are built to be tight, efficient, and reliable. Constantly pulling the dipstick on a new car. It's just not necessary. Modern cars have warning lights to alert you if oil gets low. No need for obsessive checks. I'm not saying never check your oil, just be smart about it. Learn your car's needs and don't follow outdated routines. Move from anxious, repetitive checking to confident, informed monitoring. It's about knowing when and why to check, not just going through the motions. Let's dive into when you should actually reach for that dipstick. So, why don't modern engines need constant oil checks? It's all about better engineering and materials. Today's engines are built to tight tolerances and rarely leak or burn oil if maintained. For most healthy cars, checking oil once a month is plenty. Some new cars can go even longer between checks, thanks to advanced design. Manufacturers expect you to trust the engineering. These engines are tested to run reliably between scheduled oil changes. If your car isn't leaking, burning oil, or showing warning lights, frequent checks are just confirming what you already know. When you get a new car or after an oil change, check the level, then check again in a month. If it hasn't moved, you're good. Stick to a monthly schedule. This approach is smarter and saves you time. Work smart, not hard, and let your car's design do its job. Let's talk about when you actually should check more often. There are times when frequent oil checks are essential. If your car is over 10 years old or has high mileage, seals and rings may be worn. Check more often. Spot an oil leak under your car. Check daily until it's fixed. See blue or gray smoke from the exhaust. That's burning oil. Monitor closely. After engine work or an oil change, check oil a day or two later, then again in a week to catch mistakes. These exceptions call for vigilance. Don't ignore the signs. Now, let's make sure you're checking oil the right way. Here's how to check your oil accurately. Park on level ground. Slopes give false readings. Run the engine for a few minutes, then turn it off and wait 5-10 minutes for oil to settle. Open the bonnet and find the dipstick, usually a yellow or orange handle. Pull it out and wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. Reinsert it fully, then pull it out again for your reading. Look for the oil level between the min and max marks. If it's in the middle, you're set. Below min, add oil. Above max, you've overfilled. Remove some oil. Always check with the engine warm and after it's rested a few minutes. Simple steps, but accuracy matters. Now, let's make sure you get a perfect reading every time. Consistency is key. Check oil under the same conditions each time. Good lighting helps. Use natural light or a torch to see the oil line clearly. If unsure, wipe and re-dip for a better reading. When adding oil, go slow. Add half a liter at a time, then recheck. It's easier to add more than to remove excess. Keep a simple log in your glove box or phone: date, mileage, and if you added oil. This helps you spot trends and catch problems early. If you're topping up more often, your log will show it's time for a mechanic. These habits make oil checks quick, accurate, and useful. Next, let's decode what your oil level is really telling you. The dipstick isn't just about oil level, it's a health check for your engine. If you're topping up often, something's wrong. It's either leaking or burning oil. Leaks show up as drips under the car, or oily engine parts. Fix them fast. No leaks but oil keeps dropping. Your engine's burning it, often with blue smoke from the exhaust. Burning oil means worn internal parts and can get expensive if ignored. Don't just keep topping up. Get a mechanic to diagnose the cause. Early action saves money over boat sea and prevents bigger problems. Use your oil log to show your mechanic what's happening. Stay alert, and your engine will thank you. Why does oil level matter so much? Oil lubricates, cools, and cleans your engine. Too little oil means more friction, heat, and rapid wear, leading to catastrophic failure. Drop below the minimum mark, and your engine could seize, costing thousands. Too much oil is also bad. It can foam, lose effectiveness, and blow out seals. Always aim for the max line, but never above. Don't obsess over daily checks. Just build a smart routine based on your car's needs. A few minutes once a month protects your engine for years. Ignore oil and you risk huge repair bills. Be proactive, not reactive. Know your dipstick, trust your car, and drive with confidence. That's how you keep your engine running strong.